Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique. If you're new to my channel, I upload videos every week about style, mindful shopping, travel, and everything in between. So if you're not a subscriber already, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and subscribe to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to talk about a particular bag which is right behind me over here on the sofa. I just realized that I haven't done any review of this bag, and I've had this bag for 4 years. I'm sure you could guess from the shape of it what kind of bag this is. This is a bag from DIOR. In my opinion, this is the most iconic bag from the brand. This is how I store this bag. It's stored in its dust bag. As mentioned, I purchased this bag 4 years ago, and I purchased it pre-owned from Fashion File. So this Lady DIOR is in a vintage condition. Even though this bag is probably more than 20 years old, you can see that it's still the lambskin, that it's still very shiny, and it's still soft to the touch. It is in the gold hardware, and it's really like that 90s early 2000 shiny gold hardware, which I think is now back on trend. So this is how I store the bag. I just put tissue paper inside to keep the shape. As you can see, this bag has collapsed a little bit. I store it standing like this in tissue paper, and I don't mind the fact that it is showing that it is a vintage bag, because it is a vintage bag. As you can see, some of the ganache quilting is deflated. I think that happens a lot for lambskin. You can see that also in a lot of vintage Chanel bags. You can see their vintage lambskin quiltings are deflated. It doesn't bother me at all. I still love to carry it. This is a top handle bag. It comes with the strap, which I think is useful. It falls around my hips and it's not too long. It is not long enough for a crossbody bag, but I think as a shoulder bag, it's a perfect length. So just a brief history about the Lady DIOR bag. When it first launched in 1995, I think, it was not named the Lady DIOR bag, of course. It was named the Chouchou bag in French, which means favorite. But at the end of 1995, the First Lady of France at the time gave this as a gift to Lady Diana, as, you know, kind of like a gift, because this is a French brand. So she was giving Diana something that is, you know, representative of the French craftsmanship. So Lady Diana loved it so much. She wore it a lot. You can see a lot of pictures of her wearing the bag. She even wore it to the Met Gala. So from then on, they decided to call the bag Lady DIOR in honor of Lady Diana. That's why this bag got its name from Lady Diana. This bag that I have is in the medium size. I think they come in 5 sizes. So there's the medium, the large, and then the tote, which is like maybe the XL. I'm not quite sure what is the terminology of that size. But I think in 2015 they launched the mini, which is smaller than this, and then the micro, which is teeny tiny. In my opinion, I think medium is the best size, because it is small enough for evening events. Let's say you are attending a wedding or a party in the evening, like Lady Diana, she wore it to the Met Gala. It is still appropriate for those events, but it is big enough if you want to use it as your everyday bag. It does fit quite a lot. It probably fits more than the Chanel medium double flap. I will try to make a comparison video in the future if you're interested in that video. Okay, so I have my trusty measuring tape. So let's see. The bottom measures at 9 inches, and the height is around 8 inches. So it's 9 inches across here and 8 inches on the height. in terms of width, the bottom is the widest part because it's the bag from the side. It looks like an A-line bag. So let's see what it is on the widest part. It is around 5 inches. Let me take out the stuffing. So here is the strap. I kept it inside, and it also has the CD on it. I don't know if you can see, but it says CD on the hardware. As you know, it has the charms, the 4 charms for DIOR, and mine is still in this zipper opening, and the pull tab looks like this. It's oval. A lot of the hardware is in the oval shape because I heard that Christian Dior loves the chairs at Versailles, and a lot of those chairs have oval shapes, so it resembles the oval shapes that he likes from Versailles. As you can see, here is oval as well. So a lot of people do complain about this opening because they say like it's really hard to get into, and it's like scratches your hand. I don't have a problem with it because obviously this is a vintage bag and it's lambskin. I think if you have lambskin, it's probably a little bit softer, you know, it's probably easier on the hand because it's softer. But I do understand how people would complain, because when I wore this in winter time in New York and my hands are dry, I would definitely get some, you know, scratches from, you know, rubbing into the zipper and all that and going in and out of the bag. But now they have the flap one, and so I heard that kind of helps with it, but I'm not sure if it's like patent. It's probably going to be still very stiff. All right, inside you can see it has the red lining with the canage print on it. It has one zipper compartment over here, which is quite big. You can definitely fit your phone in that zipper compartment, and it says Christian Dior Paris there. The bag should have the code. Okay, now let's move on into what fits in this bag. I have a few items here. I'm gonna put this aside. I have a few items here that I would usually carry with me. First of all, of course, my phone. This is the iPhone X. I've had it for several years. It is quite big, and I would put it in the zipper compartment, and it fits nicely in there. No trouble at all. You still have a lot of space. Next, I have my wallet. This one is the Zoe compact wallet. I would say this would fit a full wallet as well if you are using a full wallet, but I'm using this wallet at the moment. Obviously, it's just going to fit nicely in there. Next, I have this key clay in epi leather. This is how I carry my keys, my house keys and everything. So much room, not a problem at all. Next, I have the mini pochette accessoire. I love this catch-all. Inside of the mini pochette, I have a compact because I still like looking at a mirror as opposed to the phone. And I have my eyebrow pencil. You never know if your eyebrow is gone half of the day. A lipstick, a perfume sample. I love perfume sample. You can just carry it on a day-to-day basis as opposed to carrying your full-size perfume. And of course, a hair tie. It will be a bad day if you forget your hair tie. So let's fit this into the bag. Still so much room. Next, I have my sunglasses. This is Old Celine sunglasses. I love this soft case. It fits nicely. You don't even have to cramp or try so hard. As you can see, I don't usually carry a lot of things anyway. Those are pretty much what I would carry in my bag, because it is, you know, it would get heavy. But just for fun, let's put in this hair clip, and of course you would need a sanitizer nowadays. And then I have a fresh mask, which I carry all the time just for backup. And voila, still so much space. Seriously, I probably only like fit half of the space that is available. There is still so much space, guys. So if you, let's say if you carry charger for your phone, it would fit. Let's say you need to carry maybe like a small brush, it would fit. And also hand cream, it would definitely fit. A hand cream, AirPods, it would definitely fit. Let's close the bag. It closes nicely. The zipper is super smooth, and you can also attach the strap, of course. And there you go. I am ready for the day with everything that I need to carry with me, and a lot of room to fit more stuff if I need it. Medium is definitely the perfect size, and lambskin is definitely the way to go in my opinion for Lady Dior. Lady Dior is a great alternative to the Chanel double flap. Even though it was launched in 1995, it has grown a lot of followings and fans. It's becoming such a classic bag that you identify a lot with the Dior brand, and it's something that is always a classic. Nowadays, I think the price of a medium is around $4,900. It is still less than the Chanel medium double flap, which keep increasing every single year. So this is a great alternative if you also want a classic bag that you can wear for years to come. And it is a two-way bag, so it is top handle and a shoulder bag. I love a top handle bag, you guys know that. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any more question about the Lady Dior. I hope I cover a lot of things for today's review, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.